Today we are going to discuss Cadence algorithm. So I will write the code now. So I will erase it. Right. So I will write the code and let you know that how the algorithm works. Okay. So let me write this array first. The array is -5 3 1 -1 4. This is the array. So this is the array, and what I am going to do that I will iterate through the array like 4, right, and I will declare two variable. Max ending here is 0 and max sum, that will be your answer. Okay, max sum equal to int min. So I will explain later that why I am taking it 0 and why I am taking it int min. So let me first proceed with this algorithm. So at first iteration we will be doing that image plus equal to array of I. So I am just adding the element with image variable. So if image is less than array of I, that means the element is greater than image, the element we are processing, suppose it is 100, then definitely image will be greater, array of I will be greater, right? So okay, it is if image is less than array of I, so we will be doing image equal to array of I. Okay, and if image is less than image of each, then image equal to image. So that is our answer, image equal to answer. So we will print the answer like cout image. So now I will explain how this algorithm is working. So what I am going to do, I am going to do that image, I am keeping two variables. I am keeping two variable meh and ms, right. Let me do like this. meh and ms, right. Set first iteration, what I am going to do, first iteration that -5 so first iteration I am plus equal to -5, you can see. So that first iteration it will be, okay, so first iteration it will be -5, right, and you can see that image is less than array. This condition is false because it's equal to image equal to array of I, so it will not execute, like it will go to the next. And if ms is int min, so it is always less than meh of meh. So this will also not this will execute like ms equal to -5. Okay, and on next iteration it will meh will be -5 plus 3, that will be -2, and ms will be what, ms will be ms is less than -5 is less than -2, so it will be always again updated to -2. So on next iteration it will be -2 -1. So I have made a mistake here, like -5 plus 3, that will be -2 definitely, but minus 2 is definitely less than 3, no? So it will be MAH equal to array, so this will be 3. Again this will be 3 because minus 5 is less than 3. Next step, MAH will be 3 plus minus 1, that will be 2. That will be 2. And MS will be again 3 because 3 is not less than 2. So it will be again 3. So you can see that up to this, if we calculate the answer, that is 3 only. Yeah. So this will be giving us correct answer up to this. So we will again execute this 4, and 4 plus 2 will be 6, and definitely 4 is not greater than MA of H, so it will be 6. Okay, and MA 3 is less than 6, so it will be updated as 6. So our answer will be this one, 6. This will be our answer, and we will print this answer. And you can see this, if we take this range, so it will be 6 only. So it will become as 6, right? You can see that why I have declared MAH equal to 0, because MAH equal to 0 is that if there is no element in the array, then what we will do? If you can see this, no element in the array means, then MAH equal to 0, sum is 0, right? So it is representing maximum ending here, means this is null set, suppose, not 0, null set. Then what we will do? The sum is 0, right? And why I am doing MS equal to int min, the reason behind this is, if suppose we are taking an array, let me clear this. Okay, suppose we are taking an array as minus 100, minus 50, minus 2, minus 1, like this. What will be the answer? Answer will be minus 2. So if we take MS equal to 0 or any positive integer, then our MS is less than MAH will be always false, right? So it will give me as 0 as the answer. So that is not correct. So Cadernet's algorithm does not work with negative integer. So to make it work with negative integers, we are taking as MS equal to int min. That is a modification I have done with Cadernet's algorithm to make it work with negative integers. So I hope you have understood this algorithm very perfectly. So this algorithm works with runs in order of n, and space complexity is also order of 1. So it is an efficient algorithm. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to watch more videos on competitive programming and algorithm and interview problems. So thank you for watching. আমার হবে না রে, আমি